So I just got in a small 4 kg test haul. I'm gonna clickbait it so y'all can click on it. Once I have 30 kgs. Some new shit. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. I just got this small ass haul in from mykicksru. This is a go-to website, so go ahead and check out mykicksru if you need anything. Just dropped a video on how to buy from their Youku link. So this is what I did. I got a small haul from them, and let's see what we got. You feel me? Low-key excited. This might be a little bit of a rant for this one, but I don't give a fuck. We got some clothes. I got 2 tees in and a pair of 3s, bro. Honestly, I shitted on this one, bro. I really. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me. Okay. I see what we looking at right now, bro. Shit. And we got Balenciaga. Okay, so we got 2 tees and a pair of sneakers to review for y'all. I was just talking about this in a video I'm filming. Sent this shit out probably June 10th, June 11th. It's Juneteenth, and happy birthday to me. You feel me, bro? Like, the shipping on this is insane, bro. The information, the information right there for you, mykicksru, and that is the best website by far, hands down. Oh my god, y'all not seeing this, bro. Come on now. Black Cat 4s are cool and whatever, but Black Cat 3s, is you shitting me, bro? This is fire. Yeah, and everything looks great already. It smells good too. And it smells like a nail salon. Feel me? Damn, so that's one. We got the Black Cat 3s. Show y'all the box. Let's go over each item and break down price, quality, and all that. Tee right here, guys. Packaging came right up correct. That's the bag, normal bag. 1-to-1 NFC tagged Hellstar tees. So mind you guys, these are great quality 1-to-1. Shitted quality all the way around. The print's not like a DT there. It's nice. And on the back is a shirt. On to the next shirt though, which I'm most excited for. Balenci. Comes with cards as well as a paper and shit. So right off the bat, yes. What we talking about, bro? Oh man. No matter rep or real, the oversized look on Balenci. Vetmons, Demna has that shit down pack. Whoever gets that pack, they gonna get you right. But she did a great job on this sizing wise. I mean, I'm a big dude. Y'all know that already. I use big boy rep fashion for a lot of my clothes, my shoes, size 13s and shit. And she got me right on this. So the double B's and that tape on. Got some tags on Balenci clothing. I do know that there it goes up to like 1 to 4. Card right there. Everything comes correct. Real China, not no fake China. 6 tag right there as well. Then we got the unisex tag, so y'all can make sure that looks. We got the stressing on the collar, right? And then we got the stressing on the sleeves as well. That tape font is an indent. It's not like, I want y'all to see this. This isn't some screen print bullshit. It's like some real tape pressed and printed onto the shirt. Is a nice little indent look. I love that print, but man, WW texture, great, bro. Great quality. The texture on the letters and the font, spacing is correct. Yeah, man, can't complain about this at all. Very spiky. Great Balenci, great Balenci. Tell me how I did on my little test haul. Just wanted to see what I could get for a great price. Mind you, Mykicks never fails, bro. Mykicks never fails. We're gonna get you right. Tell me what y'all think on quality as well as y'all styles, if this is, you feel me, if this shit fly or not. Real quick look, but these are absolutely a must have. Actually, feel me? Oh my goodness. So, first thing first, that suede is crazy. That new book feel is crazy. Yeah, right there. You see, that's great feels, great suede upper, the shape is correct, back tab looks great all around. So we have a slight patent leather on the toe leading into the midsole, a slight midsole, and that looks great. It's nice, shiny, feels good too. So, man, all of these. That's a midsole, you see messed up paint marks going to that little patent leather. It blends perfectly. And then onto the toe, we got the elephant print, right? So look, man, I really can't complain about this at all because everything is hitting exactly, especially out of the box. This shit looks crazy, crazier in person than here. So that suede is what we're looking at for real. So shout out mykicksru. Let's look at the tongue and the Jumpman right here for you guys. Don't crack. Feel me? Great patent leather to pop. Make sure you have Jordan Air right there for you. Main thing I will say is size 13, get it if you can. They are absolutely hard to find a size 13, so she got them for you. mykicksru get you right. So Balenciaga and the XL for the Hellstar shirt, they're gonna get you right. Just ask and make sure they have your size. Bro, I would say this is a W haul. You know which piece y'all fuck with the most? Shout out mykicksru. Go check out their website, link below. And hopefully you guys like this kind of video, just a straight up unboxing type shit. And bear with me because I'm just trying to be out most engaged. So let me know what y'all trying to see in the next video. I'll see y'all in the next one. It's your boy called Chris. Thank you for tapping in.